I got 2 minutes on it.
Huh?
I got 2 minutes left.
2 minutes?
Yeah. That's all it'll give me. Come on, you two. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Both yes.
Come on, Sadie girl.
Let's go.
What are you, videotaping
Yep.
him?
So I am.
What, so you can put it on the computer?
I can put it on a computer and give it to you.
Oh, okay. Then I can send it to Carol.
Yeah. Won't be a good copy, but you can still see them somewhat.
The difference is seeing it on the computer itself.
Oh yeah.
It's what made it count.
You can zoom in and zoom in out on this one.
I could do the same thing with my phone, but
Yeah.
nah.
I got nothing better to do.
Huh?
I got nothing better to do.
Do you know how to text message?
Yep.
Text